My dearest Molly, we made it. It's the big day. Every long drive, every late night call, every snuggle, every tear, every goodbye, every kiss, led us here, right where we're supposed to be, together.
Hard to find what is true.
Jake, from the moment I met you, I knew that you were something special. Even as a brace-faced 16-year-old with a buzz cut, you had such an endearing confidence that continues to be one of my favorite things about you. I thank God every day for the gift that is you. You have such a big heart and a fierce passion. You have the best smile, and your laugh is my favorite sound. Thank you for loving me so well.
Molly, I love you with all my heart. You're my best friend. I cannot wait to build our lives together. You've always been there for me, and I vow to always be there for you. With all my love, Jake.
Over the past 8 years, you have been my rock, my comforter, and my greatest adventure. You are my truest and closest friend. I can't wait to marry you and start our new journey together as husband and wife. I will choose you every day for the rest of my life. I love you more than you will ever know. Yours forever, Molly.
This love is like the ocean that's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains as far as eyes can see. And this love is like the trees that are looking down on top of me. And this love is like no other. It's right where I wanna be. Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you, and I don't ever want to. This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring, and the good man's face on his wedding day when he sees his bride to be. It's like a little girl holding her daddy's hand for everyone to see. Yeah, this love is like no other. It's taking over me.
God created all of us, and in God's wisdom created us unique, special, no other like it. God is not a manufacturer, but a creative artist who uses love to share. And that gift of love that only God can give, can be replicated and shared when we in turn love one another as God first loved us. A love that is not envious or arrogant, a love that does not laugh when things go wrong, a love that is filled with hope for new possibilities to be discovered when we discover what is possible, what we are capable of, when we choose to love first and see where the outcome will take us.
It's like a mystery that's folding out in front of me. This love is like no other. It's right where I wanna be.
I, Jake, take you, Molly, to be my wife,
I, Molly, take you, Jake, to be my husband.
to have and to hold,
From this day forward, for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to
To
love,
love,
cherish,
cherish,
and respect. This is my solemn vow.
Loves you like I do. I can't get enough of you. I don't ever want to.
Molly cares about everybody and everything. So much detail. She remembers everything. It is amazing. She blows my mind with when she presents you with a gift. Man, there is so much meaning behind it. And it's because she understands you. She knows you. And she's going to take care of you and love you. And that's what Molly does.
When we were planning for Morgan's wedding, and Molly spent countless hours meticulously decorating and coming up with ideas for how the wedding could be perfect, my mom and I would always look at each other and think, oh boy, we can't wait for her wedding. And here we are, and we don't even have matching plates.
The one thing that I want to tell you about Jake is that he is passionate. Jake has so much passion for everything that he does. Whether it is duck hunting and he really cares about where that last hen mallard decoy goes, or we're fishing a tournament, there's literally money on the line, like 30 bucks. And he really, really wants to fish frogs. He is passionate about it. And I know for 100% in my heart that he is passionate about you. And that is really, really cool to me. Especially after hearing what your dad said about you. I can't top that, so. The one thing that I will second from what you said is that I know Molly well. I've been around for a while. And that Molly's smile is the most infectious thing in the world. She will spread joy through everyone that she is around. And yes, she's lucky, but I value the joy part more. And that is really, really, really cool to me.
My sister is a spider, and that's quite all right with me, for she has 8 arms and legs to share her dolls and toys, you see. Oh, I know that she's not perfect, and at times we fuss and fight, but for a million special reasons, she's more than just all right. If you think I love my sister, then you're right in what you hear, for she's full of fun and giggles, and always has a listening ear. When I'm sad, she's always there to help me dry my tears. And when I hit my first home run, she led the loudest cheers. You might just think I love her because she's always so much fun. But the greatest thing she taught me is to love like God's own son. As many others have already said, Molly is fun, and she's full of light and joy. She is kind and beautiful and smart. She loves everyone in her life, with a fierceness that is both beautiful and admirable. And while we may have had our fair share of sisterly fights, I'm beyond blessed to call her my spider sister. Molly is a fighter. I can still picture the massive bite mark on my forearm from 20 years ago that I earned for disagreeing with Molly about what movie we should watch. Gotta watch out. When Molly wants something, there's very little that will impede her from getting it. Take Jake, for instance. Molly wanted Jake, so I should have known a long time ago that we'd be here. But when they started dating again a couple years ago, I can't say I was convinced. But things changed for me when Jake and I drove up to the UP together, just the two of us. We talked for 5 straight hours about a lot of things and had a great weekend with our family. And it was after that that I could really picture him one day being my brother. Jake, you have proven to be a great partner for Molly. I've watched you lead her, encourage her, challenge her, and love her. And I'm more than thrilled to be standing here today, celebrating the start of your new life together.
So I thought it'd be all right if she stuck around for a little while. I thought, eventually she'd probably just move on her way. I mean, Jake's, he's a good guy and all, but I thought she could do a lot better than that, so. Cheers to Jake and Molly and lifetime of happiness and love.
I'm grateful for his parents, Jim and Tracy, because they raised such an outstanding young man here. He's an incredible man. And I'm really excited that I get to call him my son now. I love his laughter, because he gets to laugh with Molly. So he does laugh. But he takes care of her. And that's what I want for my girl, right? I want her to be taken care of. I want her to be loved. I want her to be appreciated. And I know Jake's the guy to do just that.
I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen in life, and you take me right back to when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Brand new. I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly when I close my